Kevin mentioned, the last 2 years really have been rocked by COVID-19. It was exactly 2 years ago when the World Health Organization declared this a global pandemic. KSHB 41 News reporter Emma James spoke with community members and health leaders to learn where we stand now.
While COVID case counts are going down, some local businesses are still asking their customers to stay vigilant. We spoke with some community members about this time 2 years ago, a moment they say they'll never forget.
I remember it being hard just to even remember to go on the calls.
13-year-old Aiden Langton says virtual school is his biggest challenge from the last 2 years. For his dad, Chris, it's missing out on so many things in Kansas City he loves.
The Big 12 tournament, the Royals, the Chiefs, going out there and sitting apart from people and doing all that, it just wasn't the same.
March 11th, 2020 marked the beginning of much uncertainty for businesses, schools, and hospitals.
There was just so much lack of knowledge at that point around how the virus was transmitted. It was a very scary time for healthcare workers.
Charlie Shields, president and CEO of University Health, says hospitals have faced numerous challenges the last 2 years, such as a lack of PPE, staffing shortages, crowded ICUs, and a population of people not willing to get vaccinated. He says numbers are looking good now and continue to decline, but the public needs to stay vigilant.
If something changes, if the next variant comes out and looks like the masking is appropriate, the faster we get back into that and provide that protection, the faster we'll beat the next variant. I think that's very important to remember.
Shields says hospitals are full currently, not entirely with COVID-19 patients, but many patients getting caught up on care they've delayed over the years. He's asking people to thank a healthcare worker and remember they've been fighting on the front lines since the very start. In Kansas City, Emma James, KSHB 41 News.